Hello, sixth graders. Welcome to lesson 3.10, problem solving using the coordinate plane. You don't have to copy down the word problem, but I would like you to copy down the coordinate plane and make it large enough so that way you can actually use it. Let's get started. An artist is using an illustration program. An artist draws a dinosaur centered on the point 4, 6. Then she moves it 10 units to the left and 12 units down. 10 to the left and 4 units down. What ordered pair represents the dinosaur's new location? Alright, so let's plot the original location for 6. So go over to the X and go over 4 and up 6. That is the dinosaur's original location. So I'm going to label that with its coordinates 4, 6. And I'll say that's an S for start. Alright. Then she moves 10 units to the left and 12 units down. Alright, so if I'm over at 4 and I want to move 10 to the left, I think about what is 4 minus 10? Well, that's negative 6. So I'm going to go over to negative 6 on the x-axis, and let's see, 12 units down from the original. So the original y point was 6, and if I go down 12, I'm subtracting 12, which gives me negative 6. So I'm looking for, again, this is my x and this is my y. I'm looking for a negative 6 on my plane. So over to the left 6 and down 6, which would be right here. Negative 6, negative 6. And I'll label that with an E for endpoint of the traveling dinosaur drawing. Not too bad. Let's look at this next one. Tyrone and Kyra both walk home from school. Kyra walks 4 blocks east and 3 blocks south to get home. Tyrone lives 3 blocks west and 3 blocks south from school. How far apart are Tyrone's and Kyra's homes? Alright, so we have again another coordinate plane, and this time I'm going to label it with the directions. So here's north, south, east, and west. It does not tell us where the school is, but we can assume that it's the origin. So I'm going to put a little, let's try to squeeze in the word school if I can try. Alright, so first let's plot Kyra's home. So she walks 4 blocks east and 3 blocks south to get home. So from the origin, 4 blocks east would be to the right, and 3 blocks south would be down. So over 4 and down 3. So that's right here. So that is positive 4, negative 3. And I'll put a K for Kyra. For that trying to be a K. Close enough. Alright, now let's look at Tyrone. Tyrone lives 3 blocks west and 3 blocks south from school. So 3 blocks west would be over to our left, and 3 blocks south would be going down 3. So here it is. It's negative 3, negative 3. And we'll make it a T for Tyrone. Now we want to know how far apart are Tyrone and Kyra's homes. So they have the same y coordinates, so we're going to look at the x coordinates for both Kyra and Tyrone and find those distances. Since most distances when you're referring, it says blocks in the problem, my mistake. So each one of these is going to be worth 1 block, right? So if I'm at negative 3, it's going to take me 3 blocks just to get to 0, and then an additional 4 blocks from 0 to get to Kyra's home. So here's my 3, and here's 4. Add those together. 3 plus 4 blocks equals 7 blocks. Whoa, sloppy. Much better. So they are 7 blocks apart. So throughout this lesson, you're going to be given different problems and situations in which you would need the coordinate plane to answer those. There are no practice problems for this video, so enjoy the rest of your day.